This is actual. A small number of local militia are believed to be hiding out in this building. Go in and clear them out. Your weapons free.
On you.
This is actual. The enemy's base has been located. Bravo team will create a distraction. Move into position at the rear door.
Pushing.
This is actual. Bravo team is engaging the enemy at point B. You should be safe to move in from the rear. Remember, no witnesses. Take out everyone. This is actual. Nice work, Defrowe. Proceed to evac point.